Welcome to our hand blender showcase. Get ready to discover the ultimate kitchen companion. From silky smooth soups to creamy sauces and everything in between. These hand blenders are here to revolutionize your cooking experience. Let's dive in and explore the power, versatility, and convenience of our top picks. Versatile blender with multiple attachments for blending, chopping, and whisking. Features a powerful motor and ergonomic grip for comfortable and efficient blending. Variable speed control and durable design make it perfect for blending, chopping, and pureeing. Versatile and powerful blender with multiple speed options for various blending tasks. Powerful motor and ergonomic design for easy handling and blending versatility.